Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodev.com. Now I am going to discuss the Adhik Mas, Mal Mas or Purushottam Mas. Our scriptures, Surya Siddhant, Siddhanta Shiromadi, Brahma Siddhant, and many more have discussed the concept of Adhik Mas and Mal Mas or Purushottam Mas in a very scientific and methodical way. What is Adhik Mas? What is Mal Mas? Actually, this is a very scientific astronomical phenomenon. There are two types of years, solar year and lunar year. What happens? The solar year, the duration of the solar year is 365 days, 6 hours and 11 seconds. But the duration of the lunar year is very less. It is 354 days and 9 hours only. So there is difference of 10 days in these 2 years, and our Panchanga, our Almanach, our ephemeris, our calendar merges and beautifully combines the solar year as well as lunar year, and you get benefits of movement of these two luminaries. While the normal calendar prevalent nowadays called Gregorian calendar, in which January, February, March up to December is there, is based on the solar movement, and some more calendars like Islamic calendar used by Muslims is based on the lunar movements. What happens, and you must have observed that Islamic festivals recede by 10 days every year, and their festival like Eid al-Fitr and many more sometime occur in summer months, sometime in winter months, sometime in rainy season. It creates a lot of confusion and problem. So while our rishis and seers and our ancient scientists, Hindu scientists, devised this beautiful lunisolar calendar, they understood, they knew that there is difference of approximate 10 days between movement of sun as well as moon, and to compensate this they created the concept of Adhik Mas, and in which after every third year 30 days are added in a very mathematical and methodical way to compensate these lost 30 days. And how it happens? When there is no transition of sun in a lunar month, it becomes Adhik Masa. There is very famous sloka of Acharya Chandeshwara, Dars Dvayamati Kramya Yada Sankramate Ravihe Malmasha Sa Vigyeha Sarv Karma Sugarhita. It means when there is no transition of sun between the two new moons, it is the whole month becomes Adhik Mas or superfluous month or excess month or Mal Mas. Okay, so this is not a religious phenomena. This is a scientific phenomena, methodical phenomena, and everything in our Hindu tradition or Indian tradition is backed by the pure science. In the same manner, or the concept of Adhik Mas or Mal Mas is purely scientific and astronomical. So, what is the importance of this Adhik Mas or Mal Mas in as per our scriptures? As already told you, in the sloka of Acharya Chandeshwara, it is written that Sarva Karma Sugarhita, means no important work should be done in this month. And there is very beautiful story behind naming this Adhik Mas as Purushottam Mas. It is imaginary story or it is reality, I don't know, but it is very beautiful that there are 12 months in the almanac or calendar. Everyone had its deity or Adideva, and everyone is happy with its deity protector. But Adhik Mas didn't have any Adideva or deity or protector. So every other month put up the taunt on the Adhik Mas. Oh, you don't have any deity or Adidev or protector. So he was very sad with this phenomena, with this taunts जो है. So he was weeping. Then the Lord Vishnu, Narayana, appeared before the Adhik Maasa and said, no, when if someone has no one to look upon, then I come upon. I will take care of you, and now on you will be known by the name Purushottam. Purushottam means the best man, a best power in the universe, which is the Lord Vishnu or Narayana. So Lord Vishnu or Narayana given his very auspicious name to the Adhik Maas, and from that day Adhik Maas is called Purushottama Maas. So what to do? To repay our gratitude to Lord Vishnu, throughout the month we should worship Lord Vishnu with our heart, with our thoughts, and with our karma. Because when no one has to look upon anyone as a protector, as a shelter, then Lord Vishnu appears. He takes care of every orphan. Orphan means in every respect. The person who has no father or mother. Orphan is who? Orphan is any person. It may be any person who doesn't have any protector or to look upon anyone. So Hemadri, Rishi Hemadri has given very elaborate karmas, sanskaras to be done in the Purushottam Maas. Even some Purana, Vaishuttar Purana also tells what to do. So in the whole month, on the first day of the Purushottam Maas, what you have to do? You have to do take sankalpa for the puja of Vishnu throughout the month. And what you have to do and how to worship? The best thing is that you should worship Lord Sun, the sun which appears on the east. He represents Lord Vishnu in the sthula form, gross form. So collect some red flowers and do prarthana, strotra for the Lord Sun, and after doing this, donate something eatable, fruits, and even clothes may be donated on the first day. And the whole month you have to worship Lord Vishnu. You may recite Vishnu Sahasranama, you may recite Sri Suktam, you may recite Purushottam. All these things you can recite. And if you don't know how to recite, where to find text of these sutras, then you may write in the comment section of this video. We'll send you the link of these suktas and stotras. And throughout the month you have to recite these. And while donating anything, you have to speak this sloka, which is written in English here. Om Vishnu Rupi Sahasranshu Sarva Prashana Apupanna Pradanena Mam Papam Vyapohatu. This sloka is to be recited at the time of giving donation, at the time of worshipping Lord Sun. The meaning of this sloka is that, O Lord Sun, who having thousands of rays, you represent Lord Vishnu, and you destruct all our papas, bad karmas, bad deeds. And when I am donating this apupanna, my papam, my bad deeds should be destructed. And what is apupanna? Apupanna in Hindi, also it is called puwa. In Sanskrit, it is called apupa. Apupa is a sweet dish created by mixing wet flour, jaggery, and ghee, clarified butter. When you mix all these and make round pieces and just fry them, they become very red. And donating these puas or apupas are considered very, very auspicious in the month of Purushottam Maas. Okay, and one very important thing If you cannot perform these things for the whole month, you may just contact astrodeum.com. Just write down in the comment section of this video. We will take care of all these sanskaras, all these acts on the part on behalf of you. On the first day, our intelligent and auspicious Brahmins will do the sankalpam in your name, and throughout the month they will perform all the activities ascribed to the Purushottam Mas, Adhik Mas or Mal Mas, and on the last day astrodeum.com will do the required donation for you only. So you may easily, the whole process becomes very clear and easy. If you want to do that, then just contact us. And one more thing, while doing puja, while doing donation, while doing all these things, you have to recite 33 names of Lord Vishnu. These three names are Vishnu, Jishnum, Mahavishnu, Harim, Krishnam, Adhochajam, Keshavam, Madhavam, Ramam, Achyutyam, Purushottamam, Govindam, Vamanam, Srisham, Sri Krishnam, Vishwasachanam, Narayanam, Madhuripum, Aniruddham, Trivikramam, Vasudevam, Jagatiyonim, Anantam, Sheshainam, Sankarshanam, Pradyumnam, Daitarim, Vishwatomukham, Janardanam, Dharavasam, Damodaram, Madhardanam, Sripatim. These 33 names are to be recited throughout the Purushottam Mas, doing puja, doing donation, anything. And you'll get more punya if you recite these 33 names with the help of the mala rosary prepared from haldi or parda. We have especially prepared these malas for reciting 33 names of Lord Vishnu. If you see the mala, you will be exclaimed, oh wow, in what a beautiful manner these malas have been prepared. So if you want these malas, just write down in the comment section of this website. We'll send you the link for the these malas. You may ask from the astrodeum.com for these wonderful malas, which will enhance your punya multifold. Many a time we get the queries through email or phone call that what to do in this period of Purushottam Mas, Adhik Mas, and what not to do. There is very famous sloka of Gargacharya in this regard. Agnyadhyam Pratishtham cha Yaggo Dan Pratani cha Ved Brat Vishwa Sarga Chura Krana Mekhla Gamanam Dev Tirthanam Vivaham Abhisheshanam Yanam cha Grih Karmani Malmasi Vivarjayet. Vivarjayet means not to do. Okay. It means you have not to do vivah, some big yagya, big donation, besides donation to Mahavishnu, Mundana Karma, Yaggopavit Sanskara, entry to new house, marriage, purchasing land, purchasing new vehicles, purchasing ornaments. These things are to be avoided in the Malmas or Adhik Mas. And what to do? Best thing is that you should perform puja of Lord Vishnu throughout the month, but many things which are time bound. Suppose that some child has taken birth, his namkarana sanskara, his annaprasana, feeding first grain to him, all these things are to be completed in the limited period, prescribed period. So you should perform all these activities in the Malmas and Adhik Mas. There is no restriction on this. If some Shraddha Tithi comes in this Mas, it should be done. And many other things like some big donation, or somebody, suppose that someone is dying, you have to do Mahamrityunjay Japa to save his life, that may be also be done. So I have elaborated all the aspects of Adhik Mas, Malmas. Do that, and if you cannot perform in a very methodical way, just contact us. Just contact us. Just write down in the comment section, or you may mail us. The email is already running on the screen, or you may call us on the phone number given on the screen. Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com.